Today we'll talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your pickup. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that. So you just follow this way, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go down, click here in this sign down here. When you just click here in this sign, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you go down, just keep going down. Come here to are you color color blend. Just click in this sign. So then you click here on the image. Then like you see this color show for us here. That's mean it's enabled with us now. So that's all you have to do to enable this sign here. I wish you know you are great. So you just follow this ways here. Then it's going to work with you. So that's all. So thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.